Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right in this video, I'll be teaching you how to be generating free USDT from this amazing bot. So you watch me as I teach you step by step how to earn from this site. As you can see, hello Kingsley, get ready for an exciting adventure. Join us, complete challenger, and also earn crazy reward, which will greatly enhance your gaming experience. Unleash the power of your team, form a strong team, and have more fun. So let's go. Hit up on start now. By hitting up on start now, it will automatically redirect you to the site. So as we wait for the site to open, and I'll teach you step by step how to make invite to build up teams. And before we proceed, let's read their latest announcement. The ENOC provide world-class sustainable integrated digital energy solution. ENOC is committed to pursuing operational excellence in innovation and creating stable and happy profit for customers. So read it to the very end to know more concerning the site. So as you can see right here, the first welcome exclusive VIP level, which they will teach you. You need to know that dear ENOC VIP member enjoy the following, so you know more about the site. Before then, let me teach you how to make invite. By hitting up on team here, you can make invite and earn rebate commission. So this is my referral link. I'll be leaving it on the description and the comment section of the video. Click on it, get yourself registered, and start the chance of any daily from this site. So as you can see right here, they have many VIP level for you to obtain, and having some commission percentage. In your level 1, you'll be having your 70%, your level 2, you'll be having 2%, and level 3, you'll be having your 1% of every valid invite which you invite into the site. And if your invitee invite another person, you'll be having another commission. So the VIP level starts from VIP 1 down to your highest VIP, which is VIP 12. And to unlock this VIP, you need to hit up on this, hit up on click to unlock. And these are all network which you can make use in unlocking the VIP, your TRC20, your TROS, your BIP20 USDT, your BNB, your BIP20 USDC, which I'll be making use of BIP20 asset. By hitting our BIP20 asset, I'll copy this wallet address and go to my exchange, make my minimum discharge to unlock level. So once you make your minimum discharge, you have automatically purchased the bot, and for them to notify that you have completed your discharge, hit up on discharge complete. By hitting up on discharge complete, the amount will be automatically deposited right to your dashboard. And before making any recharge, do it to make your personal research. I'm not a financial expert to give financial guide. So after then, you can now perform your task of your daily task by hitting up on task. By hitting up on task, as you can see right here, the price is 6.00 on your VIP, and for you to complete the task, you hit upon to complete the task. By hitting upon to complete the task, the boat which you purchase will automatically start loading. And as you can see right here, I have successfully loaded and in this percentage. So let me show you how to make withdrawal. Hit up on this asset, copy the wallet address, come back to the site. Once you come back to the site, your wallet address, you enter the amount, which is now 6.68 USDT. Enter your withdrawal password. Once you enter your withdrawal password, then we are going to confirm the payment straight up to our wallet to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. Hit up on confirm amount of 6.62 USDT, and we are going to confirm the payment in our wallet in 1 to 2 minutes to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So you hit up on notification. Once you hit up on notification, you refresh the page. So to check the notification and be sure, if you are new to my YouTube channel and the video is valid to you, don't forget to hit up on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up. As you can see, we have received this amount of 5.477, and they have deducted their percentage, and the platform is really unique and amazing. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video coming your way.